Hey, what's up guys? Luke Profits. Most of you probably know me for my eBay dropshipping content, but recently I've been doing a whole lot of research and looking into Amazon dropshipping. Now, of course, I'm still selling on eBay. I don't have any plans to stop, but I'm also dropshipping on Amazon now. There are pros and cons to each, of course, and one of the great things about eBay is that it's very beginner friendly and that you don't have to be that good with customer service or, you can mess a lot of stuff up without it really causing you many issues. Amazon, on the other hand, is a lot more strict, so you really have to know what you're doing beforehand. You can't just kind of wing it like some people try to do with eBay. On eBay, if you make a mistake and accidentally sell something that isn't profitable, you can just cancel the order and you don't really have to worry about it. But on Amazon, if you mess up and sell something that's not profitable, canceling the order is really dumb and you do actually need to fill it even if you're losing a couple bucks. The interesting thing is though, with eBay, you have to list like 1,000 items to bring in some decent sales. Whereas with Amazon, you just need to list a couple and then try your best not to drown in the flood of sales that you're gonna get. And to understand the reason for that, we kind of need to compare Amazon and eBay. On eBay, you have 25 million sellers competing for 183 million buyers. So, pretty decent numbers. 25 million sellers, 183 million buyers. On Amazon, you have 2 million sellers, not 25 million sellers, you have 2 million sellers, a lot less sellers, competing for 300 million buyers. Let that sink in. 2 million sellers on Amazon compared to 25 million sellers on eBay. You've got 23 million less sellers to compete with when you're selling on Amazon for more buyers. eBay doesn't even quite have 200 million buyers. Amazon has 300 million buyers. Another interesting thing is just the way that eBay and Amazon handle listings. eBay, of course, if there are multiple people that are selling the same item, every single seller creates their own listing for that item. With Amazon, all the sellers of the same item have to share the same listing. So that results in there being a lot less listings on Amazon. So Amazon has 385 million listings, and then eBay has 1.5 billion listings, so that's 1,500 million listings on eBay. So basically, point is there's 12.5 times less sellers on Amazon there is on eBay, competing for way more buyers with way fewer listings. So it's way easier to get sales on Amazon with fewer listings than it is with eBay. Now, important thing to note here, I'm not saying that Amazon is easier than eBay. I'm just saying that you need way fewer listings to bring in way more sales, and that's where all the buyers are, and there's a lot less competition. So Amazon is worth the extra effort. eBay is still easier to start with. If you want to start eBay, I've got a link down there, link in the description, that goes to my free course that's, goes over everything you need to know to learn how to start dropshipping on eBay. eBay is great. But if you've already done that and you've kind of got your toe in the water and you understand dropshipping, you're not having trouble keeping your account in good shape on eBay or, dealing with anything. You sort of learned everything that you need to do with eBay, then you might want to consider starting with Amazon. Amazon is a lot more strict and you really have to stay on top of everything, but the extra sale volume makes it worth it. Well guys, that's it for the video. If you're new to dropshipping on Amazon and you're trying to figure out how to get started, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description. Goes over everything you need to know to get started dropshipping on Amazon. And Amazon's great because compared to other platforms, it's actually super easy to get sales with very few listings because there's so many more buyers on Amazon and so many few sellers that you're competing with compared to other platforms like eBay. If you've got any questions about anything dropshipping related, feel free to hit me up on Facebook. I'll put a link down there, as well as a link to a group that I started that has hundreds of other dropshippers in it that you can join. I post new content on this channel every few days, so go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications, and I'll be back with another video in a couple days.